Hello everyone, it's Josh Mall, the voice for swimming pool science. And lately on social media, and I've noticed a pretty weird, disturbing trend, is that in my social media ads, I am getting a ton of pool products coming in that are just fly-by-night junk and absolute garbage. And they're touting and selling their products as these great miracle things. Really, they're not. So let's dive in and check out some of this crap and dispel some myths about this fly-by-night garbage. Guys, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And after you hit subscribe, make sure you click on that little bell right next to the subscribe button. You can be in tune with exactly what's going on here at Swimming Pool Science. Guys, I'm really disheartened here. I'm seeing a lot of crap on social media and it's making me crazy. But we're going to scroll through and we're going to look at some stuff. I'm going to tell you what's good, what's bad. This is what we're looking at. So let's start off here. First thing we're checking out, as we scroll through, is, oh, here we go. Look at this. This tablet will effectively clean your pool. Wonder what it could be. This magic tablet that, wow, magically takes your pool from pea soup green to crystal sparkling and clear blue. You don't need anything else. Throw your pump away, throw your filter away. It's amazing. It kills harmful bacteria, algae, and other organism. Not just many organisms, but just one. Just other organism. Whatever that is. Look at this. It's incredible. This is amazing. Oh, and would you look at this? Interesting. So, whatever magic tablets these are, they've blurred out the labeling here. Could it be that it's Arm & Hammer trichloroisocyanurate chlorine tablets, standard 3-inch chlorine tablets, and they're just using a bunch of junk in their videos? Stolen clips maybe? I don't know. It's fascinating. You just put it in the skimmer or the floaters. Hold on a minute. Put it in the skimmer. As you guys know, if you've been paying attention to my videos, we never, ever, ever put trichlor tablets in our skimmers. Tablets only go in floaters or they go in erosion chlorine feeders on commercial pools and nowhere else. So already, this is what I'm seeing. It's junk, it's garbage. And what I found out, if you do order it, check this out. It's only going to cost you $13.99 per 100 gram. You could go to Amazon or you could buy at your local pool store for about $120 or a 50-pound bucket. Or you could buy from these guys for like $1,000 for a 50-pound bucket. But they're just trichlor tabs. But these are cheap knockoff trichlor tabs. They're not made with high quality stuff. You really do get what you pay for when it comes to chlorine and trichlor tablets. So, I hate to send you to Leslie's because they're the big chain, but they do make a quality tablet. I'm not going to lie about that. All Clear makes great tablets. Pool Time, those are just some of the brands that make good tablets. In fact, I will put a link if you have to order from Amazon and you're not going to support your local pool company. I will put a link in the description where you can order good quality tablets from Amazon. But yeah, stay away from this. This isn't magic. This is something that's been around since the early 70s. Trichlor tablets, nothing new, nothing special. Don't support these guys. If this ad comes across your feed in Facebook or in our social media, stay the hell away from it. All right, guys, here we go. On to the next one. Let's see what else we got here on social media. There it is. Nurses, you need to drink less alcohol. Nurses on their day off. Fact, I'm married to a nurse. This is what it is. Oh, the Skim-a-round, guys. Here we go. All right, magic, the Skim-a-round. We're going to revolutionize it. All of a sudden, your pool's going to stay crystal clear all the time, thanks to the Bernoulli effect, which has been in skimmers since the dawn of time. The Bernoulli effect basically says that when there's a skinny part for the water to go through, it speeds up instead of traffic jamming. So you can draw fast things off of you. We've talked about this in our how to tune your skimmer video, so check that out above if you haven't seen that yet. But the thing about Skim-a-round that really irks me, and these are fellow pool industry guys, I want them to have a good product, but it's the false advertising, it's the tricks they're playing. These guys actually banned me from making comments on their Facebook ads for calling them out on their things. They didn't address it. They didn't come directly out and say, no, actually it's because this, and this. I called them out for lowering the water level and speeding up their video, and they just banned me with no responses at all. So I'm going to show you here in just a second. You're about to see the water, and look at the waves on the water. Look how fast the waves move. They've sped up the video by about twice as much. Here is real speed right here. That's how fast it's actually going into the skimmer. Now, you can see how low the water level is. That improves the Bernoulli effect with the mouth of the skimmer, basically pushing that weir effect out to the very edge of the pool, drawing more stuff in. So they're kind of playing tricks on us here. And as you can see, there's no weir in this skimmer, but you'd actually have a better effect if that weir was closer, because you'd have that higher velocity closer out to the pool for this thing to work. If you have no weir, you can't put one in. This may be a solution. I don't know. We actually ordered one, and we're going to do a video on how it works. So we're going to test this product ourselves and check it out. All right, round 3 of Facebook snake oil BS. Here we go. Oh, look at this here. Okay, nope. These are either Penta or Hayward LED lights, not these cheap pieces of junk you're seeing here. These won't do that. Notice you don't see the actual lights in any of the pools in the footage, and these just won't do it. We actually ordered some of these, so we're going to test them and see how bad they are, and no light will do that. That's probably some kind of projector that's overhead. No way in hell. Don't waste your money on these lights. Next, here we go. All right, what do we got? Oh, look at this. Crystal clear water for all pools. Built to last. Look, they have a guy pointing at diagrams. Free shipping now. AK600 Solar Ionizer. Okay, so this is just adds some ozone to the water. 80% less chemicals. I doubt it. Kill algae now. Not really. This is merely a supplement. This device might work for a little bit, but for the price, I have a feeling it's designed to work just until the warranty quits. This is not some device that's going to save you from brushing and cleaning and balancing water chemistry. Nope. Buy it, maybe use a little bit less chlorine, that's it. All right, this next one, I don't even know exactly what they're selling. They show 50 different things, but here we go. All right, so guy vacuuming his pool, standard vacuum here that you plug in. Oh, that is a Riptide. That's an industrial vacuum for commercial grade stuff. Guy's emptying. Oh, look, this guy. No more manual doing this, whatever that means. Reps for Jesus, man. Go, you. You still got to skim your pool, sorry, because you still get leaves on it. This is just a standard Leaf Master vacuum, and I'll put a link for a Leaf Master, which is a great product, up in the description for a real quality thing. So the real use? Okay, get yours now. He's vacuuming with a normal vacuum. What are we buying here? Which vacuum are we buying here? I don't understand. What are they selling? Are they selling all the vacuums? I don't get it. Are they going to sell the Riptide, the Leaf Master, the battery-powered vac, and the regular cleaning head? Too much going on here. I don't know what they're selling. All right, boys and girls, we are over 10 minutes into this bull crap, and we're going to hit the grand finale. I was shocked when I was scrolling through my phone in bed and came across this. And as you guys know here at Swimming Pool Science, on our videos and with our business practices, honesty is really important to us. Our goal is the long-term care of your pool. We want to steer you guys in the right direction for great products and doing things the right way and dispelling pool myths and things like that. So when somebody comes along and they steal a piece of my video for their ad, man, I get heated. Well, what the hell am I supposed to do? These guys are overseas. It's garbage. Check this out. You're not going to believe this. Here we go. Getting into it. Look at this. Okay, so it's literally the time machine from Napoleon Dynamite, and there I am. This is from our video from Green to Blue in Minutes, and I will post a link above so you can see what we did, where we didn't actually use any kind of thing like this. We use a Taylor test kit, like always, to make sure that we know what's going on. But I cannot believe that they went and used a chunk of my video, didn't even contact me. If you look in the description, you will see, please contact Swimming Pool Science. This video is copyrighted. It's, you know, but you know what? They don't care. They're just out to sell garbage products like this Napoleon Dynamite chlorine tester. It's just a piece of garbage. It's a useless piece of crap. Get your Taylor kit, get your test strips. You're going to have better reliability with that. So that was unbelievable. And so as I'm scrolling through and I'm mad about this, I sent them a sternly worded email. Boy, oh boy, did I really lay into them in that email. I'm waiting to hear back on their compensation. I found another video. There it is again. More of me being used in one of my most popular videos. I'm pretty disappointed about it. It's annoying, but I guess if you're a growing channel like I am, your videos are going to get exposure, and that's the kind of thing that happens. But let's be clear. Once again, guys, check out our green to blue in minutes video if you want to find out how we really did it. Once again, these products are garbage. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video for Swimming Pool Science. I hope you enjoyed it. It is late at night. I got to get up early to go mountain biking tomorrow morning. It's Sunday, and the trails that Telluride are calling. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you got any constructive feedback, make sure you get that in the comments. And also, let me know what you think of these fly-by-night products and if you've ever purchased anything down below in the comments as well. We'll see you next time, guys. I'm Josh Mall, the voice for Swimming Pool Science, and that does it for me. About, hold on, 1,000 grams is 2.2 pounds. So 100 grams is